Okay, hey there, welcome. Today we're going to be unboxing Wacom Intous. Yeah, I got that right. Intous Pro, small pen and touch. And let's pry this thing open. Ooh, I like that. I really like the texture, and I cannot wait to use it. So here we have the tablet itself. It's small, as you can see, small pen and touch. So, and the pen itself, it's smooth already and light as I expected. And seem to be having a software bundle, blah blah blah. Here we have the USB cable. Wow, I like the way they arranged it. This is nice. Some protective stuff here. Nice. I like. And I guess this is drivers and instructions. Yeah, I think so. Oh, I guess so. I think I'm right. So as I can see here, it's www plugin and install drivers. Well, I don't know if we'll do all that because of time. Here we have some manual in English and some other languages like Chinese, Russian, and yeah, all that stuff. If you speak some Russian, I could give you this thing. You check it out. So here we have the DVD for drivers. Yeah, let's first check this thing out. And now let me plug in the USB. Nice. I think I'm in love with these protectors. I could pick them for my other USBs. Yeah. So here is the baby. Here we go. Feels smooth, like the way they did the texture and stuff. Oh, this thing has extra nibs. Nice. Nibs for the pen. Oh, I hope you can all see that. There it is. Yeah, this is the nib, not this. This was just the name of the pen. And I like that already. So I think this is where the let me try sliding to unlock this thing. I'm already nervous. Let me see. There. Here they are. The 3 extra nibs. Yeah, sure. There they go. So unfortunately I didn't get the wireless card, so it goes in here. So what we do, let's try this baby out and see how it will work out. So here we have power buttons and some other things. It's in the USB, is it? And yeah, I guess, I'm not sure. I think so. Nope. Okay. Yeah. So let's plug in the USB and try it out. And guys, go that side. Goes in like that. Yeah, I like the way they did to the USB. It could prevent it from breaking, you know. So it goes in inside there, and yeah, plug in this thing. This baby. See how it works out. Okay. I'm minimizing this thing. Let's go test. Yeah, already on, so I think here is, you could turn off the touch. Ooh, look at that, it's already nice. So I could just make some brushes over here and see how the thing works out. Ooh, nice, smooth. Well, this is the touch for the zooming part, and it works so well. So let me see. So create a new thing. So let me try just sketching something small, like something small. Ooh, it has that. Wow, nice. So I could just type in using my screen, like an on-screen keyboard with da 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 da. If you're lazy, you don't have a keyboard and stuff. So let's try drawing something small. Nope. Just have a bigger brush. Okay, let's write the word. Word. Hope that works out good. So let's try and do some typography, some brushes. Create some small brush here. Okay. So calligraphy brush. Let's make the size like a 10. See the version. Okay. So it seems to be working so well. If I press hard, no, it's not doing what I want. So yep. Let's make it 3. Pressure. Yeah, it works. So if I move it a bit light and then hard and light, use it like ooh. I don't know if that's a spelling of smooth, but yeah, it's good. Yeah, so doing its job. So let's see, which word can I write? Let's try writing the word Wacom. Wacom. Like in graffiti. I don't know if you get that. My graffiti is so bad. It's very bad. It's terrible and horrible. It's like I've written home. Yeah, I guess that's it for the pen and touch. Oh, it even has a place where you can rest the pen, just in case you are done. And yeah, I don't know why it's getting outside. And yeah, I think that's it for now. Yeah, I guess that's it. And we are out.